Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to restore Netflix subscription in the Netflix app. So to do this, after of course canceling your Netflix account, so you have to enter to your Netflix app, and as you can see, it will show me signs opening the app if I want to undo canceling my account. So I will show you how to do it from inside the account. So you go to my Netflix, and after that click on the three lines on the top of the screen. After that go to account, and as you can see, I will in the beginning of the account, so it tells me that my membership will be cancelled in 19th of January 2026. And if I want to undo that, so to undo that, I have just to click where they told me to click. And as you can see, my membership will continue as usual and my subscription will be restored. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.